Twee. When you think of dangerous animals, what comes to mind? Lions, sharks, maybe even snakes. But what about birds? You might be surprised to learn that some of our feathered friends are actually some of the most dangerous creatures on the planet. Today, we're counting down the world's deadliest birds you should never, ever mess with. Off our list is the cassowary found in the rainforests of New Guinea and Australia. This bird looks like a prehistoric relic, standing up to 6 feet tall. Its most formidable weapon is a set of 3-toed feet, each equipped with a dagger-like claw that can grow up to 5 inches long. Cassowaries are notoriously territorial and aggressive when they feel threatened. They can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and jump nearly 7 feet in the air. A single kick from a cassowary can cause serious life-threatening injuries, which is why it's often labeled the world's most dangerous bird. Next up, let's talk about the ostrich. Yes, the largest bird in the world is also one of the most dangerous. While they may look a bit goofy, an agitated ostrich is no laughing matter. They can weigh over 300 pounds and stand 9 feet tall. Plus, they can sprint at an astonishing 45 miles per hour, making them the fastest bird on land.